Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here, doing a video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 23 Venture. It's equipped with a Mercury 300 horsepower engine, 50 hours of use. Scrolling around, you can see it has the hardtop option, powder coated, great condition. Boat's stored inside our dry storage building, located right there. Got transom shower. There's another one up at the bow. Carry-on cooler. Little wet bar area. The helm, you've got active trim down below. Linko trim tabs with LED indicators. Raymarine VHF radio. Fusion stereo ready for Bluetooth. So you got the hour meter pulled up, currently 47 hours on the Mercury vessel view. Then you've got a nice Raymarine display, got chart plotter up there, scroll over, fish finder, take a peek there, digital throttle and shift, stainless steel trim on the windshield. This door flips open. It's gotten cool on us here. That flips open. This window flips across. Really makes boating this time of year nice with blocking the wind off. This opens up. There's your bow and cockpit cover stored underneath there. There's also a carry-on cooler. 5-gallon bucket. Throw your trash in there. Carry it off the boat when you leave. Bow cushions are in great shape. Step up here. There's the cockpit shower I mentioned to you. And then this boat is equipped with the optional anchor windlass. You've got a remote here and a remote on the helm. Flips down, let me spin around. Over that. Hard top from the front. Seats. This seat lifts up, slides forward, makes a nice lounge. Take a peek there. And flips up. This boat is equipped with the optional live well. So forward part of the seat, you got storage, you got life jackets, a couple of dock lines in there. Back side of this flips up. And open this compartment. And then there's your live well. You can also plug it, it's insulated. Use it for a cooler. A couple other options I want to show you while you're taking your time to watch this. Got a portable head here, great storage, also freshwater sink, and that is plumbed for overboard pump out. So you pull up, get fuel, pump your head out. And then last but not least, got rod storage. You can tell he's got his dock pole down there. You could throw, probably get a wakeboard in there. Other water sports toys, great place for fenders and that kind of stuff. So you got your mechanical compartment back here. That's your bilge pumps and batteries and all that stuff. Guys, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. This is a very nice, well-equipped, beyond that, this is a loaded 23. If you're interested in one, you owe it to yourself to give me a shout and find out all the details on this one. One owner, indoor stored, low hour boat. Give us a call, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks, have a great day.